New information tonight about a St. Louis alderwoman's claim her truck was hit by gunfire while she was driving through North City.
Heard a loud pop and knew immediately that this was a shot. And I was like, am I shot? You know, I'm feeling, my shoulders and my torso to see if I'm hit.
That's what Alderwoman Laura Keyes told us earlier tonight. This happened just before noon yesterday on Fair Avenue. SLMPD now says there wasn't any gunfire. Within the last 90 minutes, police released surveillance footage showing the loud noise was actually Keyes' pickup hitting another parked truck, causing damage to a side mirror. You can see what happened there. Police believe Keyes genuinely thought it was a gunshot, saying it's a, quote, unfortunate reality that far too many St. Louisans experience that we work each day to reduce. Within the last hour, we got in touch with Keyes, who says she is relieved police were able to determine exactly what happened. She says the impact was so loud, she thought it was the sound of a .45 caliber weapon. Keyes says she's grateful someone had surveillance video that captured the incident.